Singapore is a melting pot of cultures and cuisines, and the city-state is well known for its diverse and delicious food scene. As a small island nation located in Southeast Asia, Singapore's cuisine has been influenced by the culinary traditions of neighboring countries, such as Malaysia, China, and India, as well as by the global food trends of the 21st century. In this essay, we will explore the unique and flavorful dishes that make up Singapore's food culture. Singaporean street food. One of the most iconic aspects of Singaporean cuisine is its street food. Hawker centers, or open-air food courts, are a popular gathering spot for locals and tourists alike. These centers offer a variety of dishes at affordable prices, and some of the most famous hawker centers in Singapore include Maxwell Food Centre, Tiong Bahru Market, and Chinatown Complex. One of the most famous street foods in Singapore is the Hainanese chicken rice. This dish consists of poached chicken served on a bed of fragrant rice cooked in chicken broth and garnished with cucumbers, chili sauce, and soy sauce. Another popular street food is the laksa, a spicy noodle soup made with a coconut milk and curry base and topped with ingredients such as prawns, cockles, and bean sprouts. In addition to these classic dishes, Singapore's hawker centers also offer a range of international cuisine, from Japanese sushi to Indian roti prata. This diversity is a testament to Singapore's cosmopolitan nature and its ability to absorb and adapt to various culinary traditions. Fine dining in Singapore. While street food is an integral part of Singaporean cuisine, the city-state is also home to numerous high-end restaurants that offer fine dining experiences. These restaurants offer a chance to experience the more refined and sophisticated side of Singapore's culinary scene. One such restaurant is Odette, which has been consistently ranked as one of Asia's best restaurants. This French-inspired eatery serves dishes such as Hokkaido uni and Brittany blue lobster, and its stunning location in the National Gallery Singapore adds to its allure. Another popular fine dining restaurant in Singapore is Burnt Ends, which offers a unique and creative take on barbecue cuisine. Its open kitchen concept allows diners to see their food being prepared, adding to the overall dining experience. Peranakan cuisine. Peranakan cuisine is a fusion of Chinese, Malay, and Indonesian influences and is a unique subset of Singaporean cuisine. This cuisine emerged from the intermarriage between Chinese traders and Malay women in the 15th century and has since evolved into a distinctive culinary tradition. One of the most famous dishes in Peranakan cuisine is the ayam buah keluak, which consists of chicken cooked in a sauce made from the buah keluak nut. This nut has a unique taste and is an essential ingredient in many Peranakan dishes. Another popular Peranakan dish is the babi pongteh, which is a stew made from pork belly cooked in a sauce made from fermented soybean paste, mushrooms, and potatoes. The dish is often served with steamed rice and pickled vegetables. In addition to the above-mentioned dishes, Singapore also has a range of desserts and snacks that are worth trying. One such dessert is the chendol, which is a shaved ice dessert topped with green pandan jelly, coconut milk, and palm sugar syrup. Another popular snack is the kaya toast, which is a breakfast staple consisting of toast spread with kaya, a sweet coconut jam, and served